Cold starting both of the X5s. With a combined 0 miles per gallon between the two of them. But yeah, you guys could definitely see the differences. Like the E70 is definitely like a bigger, wider, meaner looking thing. Like it'll be more comparable to the 4.6 and 4.8 IS that have like the fender flares on it and stuff, but like you can still tell like this thing is gargantuan. It's like, for example, the 2002 X5 is wider than the Pathfinder on the inside. I don't know if on the outside it might be, but on the inside you can carry more things in the X5, the e53 X5, than a 2016 Pathfinder. And then this behemoth here is just the big boy of them all. So yeah, somebody should be coming to look at this thing today. I'm sure they're gonna buy it. If not, I have so many people, but they're gonna buy it. I actually do hope this guy buys it. This is guy I actually was looking at a vehicle he was selling a while back, but it ended up not working out because I had to spend the money on something, and it was unfortunate because it was a 750i, the V12 one, but you know, I'll get one of those one day. But yeah, this video doesn't really have a purpose, so I guess we'll just see what happens as time goes on for today. So yeah, as you guys saw, X5 sold. So with that, we're good to buy the lowering springs for this car. I'm gonna order those actually right now, and then I'm waiting for the dine-in tune to come back in stock so I can decide which tune I'm gonna get. But yeah, so I have to get the front lip because the guy should probably have his car back by now. Transmission tune, engine flash, lowering springs, and that's all I'm doing to the car for the next few months, because I'm gonna have to keep flipping money and stuff like that. So gotta spend wisely, invest wisely, and yeah. But it's a little dirty, so I might go to the car wash really quick, even though it's like kind of pointless because, you know, it's probably gonna rain or something. But yeah. Oh, actually, I have to order the front grills. I'm gonna do that right now because I hate that. That's super tacky. The chrome grills are just super tacky to me. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. See how I can take off the front plate thing because I don't like that. Yeah, just a couple little things to do to get the car to my standard, and so I'll be comfortable driving it, and then I'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming with all the fuckery that I usually do. So yeah, that's the end of this clip. I'll get back to you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And you already know what the fuck going on. We got a lot of stuff coming.